going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday today. Bit of a special video for y'all. We are rocking down to meet up with the guys in about an hour or two, and what we're doing is a cruise of Courtney. We're gonna do a little cruise around and then meet up in a parkade after for pictures and whatnot. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna be able to film while driving, but I'm gonna do my best, of course. And so right now I'm about to head out to the store, do a little favor for my mom. I'm gonna pick her up some wraps, tortilla wraps, stuff like that. So when I go pick up my son, I can give her those, because she's doing me a favor watching my kids so I can go play with the boys. So we're gonna go and outside and start this beast up and yeah, and get this day started. So if you guys haven't already, let's go ahead and smash the like button, and if you guys are new to the channel, smash the sub button, and always new content on the way. And tomorrow we got the oil change coming to the Scat Pack, so I'm not going to release the price until tomorrow's video, so stay tuned, because I'm going to be making another video tomorrow. And yeah, so see you guys in a bit when we start the cruise. Alright guys, so I'm off. I'm not sure if that worked. I think I forgot to hit the record button when I did the gold start, guys, so sorry. But I will do another one later on, of course, and you guys were able to see some cool cars. It's a cool variety of cars, GTRs, some imports, and a couple of muscle cars. I don't know, it's kind of cool, guys, so follow along, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So anyways, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Alright y'all, we're about to head out. As you can see, all the cars for the cruise, so it should be a fun one. Look at all the cars lined up, guys. Our buddy's Mustang back there. I guess we're doing a pull, y'all. Mini pull.
The speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour.
Y'all, I'm gonna put the camera down for the remainder of this cruise, because we'll be doing
the speed limit is 110 kilometers per hour.
Pictures and all that stuff in, so I'll stay tuned at the next stop. I'll catch up with you guys. Alright guys, so we just stopped. We'll get out and check out some of the cars. Grab my keys.
Your headlights are bright, dude.
Mine?
Good thing my back window's tinted, but the side mirror, holy crap, that one driver's side headlight is just so bright.
Yeah, my my old Camaro lights were really bright.
Oh yeah?
So yeah, they were brighter than these. I've found, but then again, I've never been in front of my car. So.
Yes.
Nice green Mustang GT. You guys want to go check out River City Stangs? They're on Facebook. Go look them up. Doing YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Go ahead. I follow you on YouTube.
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice, awesome.
Nice tint job on the rear lights. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
So you had plenty of chances. Yeah.
But yeah, Mark, like...
And I get a picture with the tree in the background. That was crazy. I was trying to, I messaged
Keeps
said,
looking mean.
look this way, just make sure you knew. Because I thought we were going into Cumberland. Right. We were not finished postulating with that. That's what I thought too. It's like, I don't know. So we got a couple of rollers on the 2-lane. Yeah, that was it. But yeah, everybody I guess
My buddy's Charger. If you guys haven't seen the video, it is in the description that I did a while back, one of my first videos. Real mean. We got the drone up there. The GTR guys. Go ahead and check out their on their Instagram, Paralegal. Look at that interior.
No, we're not.
holding you up and you do fine. Those guys with the GTRs,
And so that's your issue. And then that didn't solve it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the end of today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. The charger's looking mean as per usual, so pictures to come of that night. It'll be in my Instagram description, will be below. People are just peacing out. So we will see you guys on the next video. Oh man. So we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash the sub button and tap the notification bell so you guys know when my videos are up and live. I do try and post weekly, twice a week, pretty much whenever I have time. So if I don't post more than 2 videos a week, it's probably because I'm super busy. You know, I work a lot, just keep up with family and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.